Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 15 Pro, a no-IMEI baseband problem. Let's get started. At first, place the phone to a digital thermostat for 30 seconds. Now we disassembling the phone. Now removing necessary flex cables from motherboard. Removing sandwich motherboard. Removing the soft protectors. Place the motherboard in a layered heating system to disassemble the sandwich layer. Place a layer in a holder and apply paste. Removing the soldering. You are viewing a microscopic view, polishing the layer connectors on both layers. Placed again to layered heating system for assembly the sandwich layer. Assembling the phone. Connect the phone to a PC for firmware installation. It's time to test, and it's showing the IMEI. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the iPhone 15 Pro and no-IMEI problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.